Today, you're going to learn how to say the months of the year in Italian, with the correct pronunciation for each one of them, and also how to say dates in Italian correctly. Okay, let's start with the months. As always, you can repeat after me if you want to learn these and memorize these immediately and correctly. January is gennaio. Gennaio. February, febbraio. Febbraio. March, marzo. Marzo. April, aprile. Aprile. May, maggio. Maggio. June, giugno. Giugno. July, luglio. Luglio. August, agosto. Agosto. September, settembre. Settembre. October, ottobre. Ottobre. November, novembre. Novembre. December, dicembre. Dicembre. Okay, let's repeat them once more in Italian only. Gennaio. Febbraio. Marzo. Aprile. Maggio. Giugno. Luglio. Agosto. Settembre. Ottobre. Novembre. Dicembre. Molto bene. The months of the year in Italian are always masculine. And that's because the word for month in Italian is masculine itself. So here's how we say month in Italian. Mese. Mese. So now you know which ones are the months of the year in Italian. So now let's learn to say the months of the year in Italian. I mesi dell'anno. I mesi dell'anno. Perfetto. Now let's learn how to say dates in Italian correctly. Now this can be very confusing for many students because the way we say dates in Italian is pretty different than how you say them in English. So let's have a look at this sentence. Let's suppose you want to say today is May 1st. That in Italian is oggi è il primo maggio. Oggi è il primo maggio. There are two main things that I want you to notice and learn correctly now. First of all, the fact that we put the month at the end. So the month goes after the number of the day. This is what we do. We don't say today is May 1st. We say today is 1st May. So the month always goes after in Italian, not before the number of the day. The second main difference is that we use the article. We say today is the 1st May. That's the correct order to say a date in Italian. Today is article, the, then the number, first, and finally the month, May. Today is the 1st May. Oggi è il primo maggio. Oggi è il primo maggio. That's how you say dates correctly in Italian. Remember that. But now let's see a few more examples. Today is June 2nd. Oggi è il 2 giugno. Oggi è il 2 giugno. So, notice how we put the month at the end after the number and we use the article. And here's another very important thing that I want you to notice and learn. In this sentence, we used due. We didn't say second, we said two. So this is another major difference when saying dates in Italian. In Italian, we use the ordinal number, like first, second, third, only for the first day of the month. So we only say il primo for the first. After the first day of the month, we switch to normal numbers, to the numbers they used for counting. 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's how we say the other days of the month. So remember, the first day of the month, we say the first, il primo. But for the other days of the month, we just use the normal numbers they use for counting. Il 2, il 3, il 4, and so forth. So let's repeat this and we're going to see a few more examples. Oggi è il 2 giugno. Perfetto. A few more examples. Today is February 24th. Oggi è il 24 febbraio. Oggi è il 24 febbraio. Okay? And finally, today is October 8th. Oggi è l'8 ottobre. Oggi è l'8 ottobre. Perfetto. And what day is today for you? Che giorno è oggi per te? Let me know. Okay, now you know how to say all the months in Italian with the correct pronunciation for each one of them and also how to say dates in perfect